You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down this Japanese name. In Japanese, it means violet flower and is pronounced as sumire, sumire. Now, in English, it's a bit difficult to pronounce it that way. Sumire, sumire, and I think it's there's a character from in Naruto. If you're after more Naruto character names, make sure to stay tuned. This one is Sumire, sumire, or sumire, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.